Welcome to Employment and Education News. This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Constable post vacancy in Punjab Police. Eligibility 12th pass. Age limit between 18 to 28 years. Apply between 14 March 2024 and 4 April 2024. Application fees Rs 1150 for general, 650 for SC, ST, EWS and 500 for ex-servicemen of Punjab state only. University of Allahabad vacancy for assistant engineer, antiquity marker, computer operator, curator, exploration assistant, instructor fine arts, junior engineer, section officer, senior technical assistant. Eligibility graduation BE or BTech, BSc with diploma, MSc, MCA, MTech, master degree in ancient history, diploma in archaeology, graduate in science with a certificate course in computer operation, BSc computer science, BCA, postgraduate in zoology, botany, ancient history, archaeology. Age limit maximum 30 years for junior engineer, 35 years for antiquity marker, computer operator, curator, exploration assistant, instructor fine arts, section officer, sports assistant, 40 years for senior technical assistant. Apply between 1 March 2024 and 1 April 2024. University of Allahabad vacancy for animal attendant, assistant draftsman, darkroom assistant, data entry operator, draftsman, driver, field assistant, groundsman, Hindi typist, junior office assistant, laboratory assistant, laboratory attendant, marksman, multitasking staff, nursing officer, semi-professional assistant, survey draftsman, work agent, X-ray technician, wireman. Eligibility 10th, 12th, ITI, Diploma in Drafting, Architecture, Drawing and Surveying and Drafting, X-ray Technology, Graduation, BCA, Graduation with PGDCA, BSc in Computer, Diploma in Draftsman Civil, Intermediate in Biology, Graduation in Library Science. Age limit maximum 30 years for darkroom assistant, field assistant, groundsman, Hindi typist, junior office assistant, laboratory assistant, library attendant, multitasking staff, wireman. 35 years for animal attendant, data entry operator, draftsman, driver, semi-professional assistant, survey draftsman, work agent, X-ray technician. Last date for application 1 April 2024. University of Allahabad vacancy for Deputy Registrar, Director, Electronics of Engineer, Executive Engineer, Internal Audit Officer, Public Relation Officer, Scientist B, Scientific Officer, System Analyst, System Manager. Eligibility Diploma in Public Relation, Journalism and Mass Communication, Degree in Engineering, MTech, Master Degree in Commerce. Age limit maximum 35 years for electronics of engineer, scientist B, system analyst, system programmer, 40 years for executive engineer, public relation officer, scientific officer, system manager, 45 years for deputy registrar, 55 years for director, internal audit officer. Last date for application 1 April 2024. Graduate engineer trainee post vacancy in National Aluminium Company. Eligibility engineering degree mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, metallurgy, chemical. MSc chemistry with GATE 2023 score. Age limit maximum 30 years, age on 2/4/2024. Apply between 4 March 2024 and 2 April 2024. Application fees Rs 500 for general, OBC, EWS candidate and Rs 100 for all other candidate including departmental candidates. 335 Hostel Superintendent post vacancy in Rajasthan Staff Selection Board. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 21 to 40 years. Last date for application 17 March 2024. 106 Assistant Architect post vacancy in Bihar Public Service Commission. Eligibility degree in architecture. Age limit between 21 to 37 years for male, between 21 to 40 years for female candidates. Last date for application 11 March 2024. Thanks for watching till the end.